We're having a little fun today. It's a good day. It's a blessed day. We're gonna have a little fun today. So, we trying to get to know you guys, right? That's the task, right? Because we got a bunch of new guys, a bunch of new men. We're trying to get to know you. You trying to get to know us, right? You pretty much know us pretty well, right? You feel? All right. We're gonna start off with the specialist. And I need coaches, because this is for me today. I need coaches impersonations. So, your coach is Trevor. Somebody get up and give me Trevor.
Welcome to Coach Prime Motivation, where we dive deep into the heart of inspiration, guided by the legendary Deion Sanders. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey, one that celebrates the essence of teamwork, leadership, and the sheer joy of embracing new beginnings. It's about a day unlike any other, getting to know new team members and a coach who's not just a mentor but a beacon of guidance and motivation. Imagine stepping into a space where every handshake and smile is the beginning of a new story, where the air buzzes with potential and the promise of growth. This isn't just any team. It's a group of individuals brought together by a shared goal, ready to transcend their limits and redefine success. What does it mean to be part of a team? Is it merely wearing the same colors? Or is there something deeper, something that bonds us beyond the surface? As we delve into the heart of teamwork, we uncover stories of resilience, stories where challenges were not roadblocks but stepping stones to greatness. Each team member, with their unique backgrounds, brings a wealth of experience, a piece of the puzzle that, when combined, creates a masterpiece of collaboration and success. Consider the first day of joining a team, the excitement mixed with nerves, the uncertainty paired with hope. This is the moment where paths cross, where the journey of personal and collective growth begins. It's here, in these initial interactions, that foundations are laid, where a coach steps in not just to instruct, but to inspire. Deion Sanders once said, "If your dream ain't bigger than you, there's a problem with your dream." So, as new members join the fold, this dream, vast and encompassing, unites them. A coach's role transcends teaching tactics or strategies. It's about igniting a fire within each team member, a fire that drives them to push beyond their perceived limits, support one another, and celebrate every victory, no matter how small. It's about creating an environment where mistakes are not failures but lessons, and where growth is a collective pursuit. But how do you foster such an environment? It starts with trust, with building a relationship that goes beyond the field or court. It's about understanding each individual's strengths and weaknesses, their hopes and fears, and crafting a path that acknowledges their potential while challenging them to evolve. Leadership is not just about guiding. It's about walking the journey together, about setting an example of perseverance, integrity, and passion. It's about showing that every obstacle is an opportunity and that every setback is a setup for a comeback. The stories of triumph we hear, the moments of glory we witness, are not just tales of individual achievement, but of leadership that empowers and uplifts. In this journey, we learn that success is not just about the destination, but about the journey itself. It's about the bonds formed, the challenges overcome, and the lessons learned along the way. As we get to know each new team member, we're reminded that every individual is a wellspring of potential, waiting for the right moment and the right guidance to burst forth and shine. As we wrap up this journey of discovery, of laughter, sweat, and moments of pure inspiration, we're left with a question. What does it mean to be a part of something greater than ourselves? How do we, as individuals and as a team, rise to the challenge, transforming every dream into reality? This exploration of teamwork, leadership, and the magic of new beginnings is a testament to the power of collective effort, the beauty of shared dreams, and the transformative impact of inspirational leadership. It's a reminder that together, we can conquer any hurdle, turning challenges into triumphs and dreams into achievements. As you reflect on this journey, think about your own experiences with teamwork and leadership. What lessons have you learned? How have they shaped your path? Share your stories in the comments below, because every story is a beacon of inspiration for others. And if this journey has ignited a spark within you, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Coach Prime Motivation. Together, let's continue to explore, grow, and inspire, one story at a time. Now, over to you. Or what's the most valuable lesson you've learned from being part of a team or from a coach who made a difference in your life? Drop your answers in the comments section below. Let's inspire and uplift each other with tales of determination, resilience, and the power of unity.